No, I really wanted to start Dreamforce and feature Laura because there's so many messages that are in here. There's, of course, the message that there is this amazing advances in medicine, genomics, proteomics, the ability to look at this lab data, the ability to use these information sciences, advancements in imaging, and all of these things can come together in a smarter, more incredible way to deliver what Laura mentioned, which is this concept of this precision medicine, medicine that we can actually deliver a one-on-one targeted molecular therapy or a targeted one-on-one treatment or a targeted one-on-one plan exactly for you to ultimately increase survival rates. That's pretty powerful. That is really the future. And it's made possible by all these advancements in biological sciences. It also has to be coupled with this incredible shift in how we manage and take care of our patients. And I think there's also a message for us here at this conference as well, because as we look at precision medicine and the pioneering work of Laura and her team and teams like her all over the world, we can also look at those same advancements and how they're going to impact our enterprises. And I've even had the thought, maybe we're going to end up seeing precision enterprises, organizations that take that same one-to-one concept and applying it to the very thing that we work on here, our customers. You know, we're talking about major advancements in technology, things that are going on at rates never before possible. Of course, we've moved from thousands of computers in the mainframe age to millions of computers in client-server computing to now billions of connected things. But what is that yielding? It's yielding this incredible connected customer, trillions of customer interactions, things happening across all these Internet of Things and all these devices. I mean, the ability to look and analyze and kind of have that one-on-one relationship with our customer, well, that's possible in a way also that's never before possible. Of course, it happens with the cloud and cloud revolution, and we've seen incredible growth there. I mean, that is amazing what has happened with the cloud. $270 billion market. That's a long time and a long way since we started 16.5 years ago when it was zero. And a much faster time to market. But it's not just about a cloud revolution, it's also about a mobile revolution with now 6 billion smartphones by 2020, the kind that are in every single one of our pockets with way more power than the computers that we saw in the mainframe age. And then we couple with that again, a third dimension, the social revolution. It was just a couple weeks ago that we saw Facebook talking about how they had over 1 billion users on their application in a single day. That's awesome. But it's a whole new style of working. It's a whole new style of engagement. And then you can see the very advances that we heard Laura talking about. The data science revolution. Major revolution in changes in predictive analytics and machine learning and artificial intelligence. And look at that, 90% of the world's data created just in the last 12 months. And then the fifth major change that's happening in our industry is this, the Internet of Things, the IoT revolution. Everything is connected in the Internet of Things. My camera is connected, my car is connected. Everything I'm doing is now on the network. Now that's an incredible thing. That's an incredible thing, this Internet of Things revolution, because I am more connected to the very people that are supporting me in my life. People are building products and services for me than ever before. And that's why this is more than just an IoT revolution. It's truly, truly a customer revolution. And that's why we want to welcome you to the Internet of Customers. Welcome to the Internet of Customers, because behind every one of these things, behind my BMW or my watch or my thermostat or my kiosk or anything that's on the Internet of Things, behind any one of these things is a customer. Behind any one of these things is a customer. And the people at this conference know that. They remember that. That's why they're here. They're here to work on the customer fidelity between them and their companies. That's so exciting. But there's a problem. And the problem is that even though we're creating all this data, and we're creating all these interactions, and we're doing all this amazing work, there's an unbelievable gap. There's a separation. It's a bifurcation between our companies and our customers. And that's the gap that we're all here to fill at Dreamforce. It's what we focus on, building these customer connectivity systems across industry, whether it's in healthcare, or financial services, or consumer product goods, or across all of the industries that are represented here. Well, this is very powerful. Huge breakthroughs in technology, and we need to get ready for a new kind of customer success. And that's why we're building a customer success platform at Salesforce, one that's focused on sales and service, one that's focused on marketing and apps and community and analytics, and on this Internet of Things. But the real magic of Salesforce and the real magic of this room and the conference and everything that's going on is this. That yes, we have this amazing technology, but it's also about all the incredible developers who are here from the industry who are building on this platform. It's all these incredible ISVs. It's all these incredible systems integrators. It's all the whole community. And how could I not mention the admins, and the MVPs. And the MVPs. It's all of us together. It's all of us together. It's more than the technology. It's the community. It's the people. Together, we are a customer success platform. That is what is so exciting. Now, of course, there's major advancements in technology. There's major advancements in this incredible technology industry that we're going. And as we build and deploy our customer success platform across all our customers, we have amazing shifts in one-to-one customer relationships. We have the ability to write applications once and run them great everywhere. It could be on my wearable, it could be on my phone, my tablet, my PC, my laptop, and whatever's coming. Salesforce doesn't make an operating system. We deliver a platform that transcends operating systems, and that when you write your application once, it runs everywhere, and then it's coupled with the world's largest enterprise ecosystem. That's incredible. And this idea that these one-on-one customer relationships, well, this is the way the world is going. It's a world of mass customization. That when I'm using my camera, or I'm using my car, or I'm using anything on the IoT, of course, I expect a one-on-one, high-fidelity relationship. I expect one-to-one service. I expect everyone knows what I'm doing and how they can support me whenever I need that help. That's a big shift from where we were just a few years ago. And of course, the world of computing has changed. So as we build and deploy our platform, it has to run on everything. It has to run on everything, and you expect it to run on everything, and that's our commitment to you, that it is running on everything, and it will always run on everything. And of course, we have this incredible ecosystem that surrounds us with thousands of apps, and all the things that you're doing with all of the installations. Amazing. They like Jennifer. But also, there she is. And it's also about an incredible architecture that features a single code base that's been upgraded 48 times, but did not break your links and customizations, that maintains the integrity of your data and your metadata in a single architecture with your own user interfaces, your own logic, with all your objects, and it's moving to being highly componentized, with highly componentized marketplaces, and that everything you do can be used and reused. These are shifts that we've been talking about our industry for years, and that's why last year we introduced you to the amazing next generation of our platform, Lightning. Okay, Lightning, please welcome Lightning Man. Here he comes. Woohoo! Here comes Lightning Man.
How do you like my new look?
I love it. Baby blue, my favorite color.
Brand new for Dreamforce 15.
Are you now a NASCAR driver? Is that your message to the audience?
That's what you said last year, but you know what? I'm Lightning Man again. Lightning strikes twice.
Wow, well, Parker, welcome. Please welcome my co-founder, Parker Harris, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Dreamforce 2015, Parker. We are thrilled that you are here.
Thank you. And you're probably thrilled the things that I do for you. Look at this.
I am thrilled at those things.
You look at that beautiful suit, and
Thank
here
you.
I am. But that's OK. That's all right.
Thank you. If they made that suit in my size, I would wear it, actually.
You know what? We can get it tailored just for you. How about next year, Marc in the suit? OK, you were talking.
Be careful what you wish for, Parker. Now, Parker, I want to talk to you about Lightning because, you know, the world is changing. We talked about the cloud, social, mobile, data science, you know, IoT. It's not the same world as when we started this company 16 and a half years ago. We need a huge upgrade to this platform that we're built on. You know, can you tell us a little about what you're doing there?
Well, Marc, you know, as you know, I've been working on this for a while. I think you've been complaining that I've been working on it for a while, but it's really, I think, the biggest thing that we've done since we started the company for me. It's really huge. First and foremost, Lightning is a platform. You saw it when we delivered Salesforce One, that mobile app. You saw it last year with the builder and the components. But, you know, it's also easy. It's super easy to use, and it's an ecosystem. Components have been built. 50 components have been built and been put up into the cloud, into our component exchange, that people are using to build applications super, super quickly. And you know how much you love that phone interface, that Salesforce One mobile app, that UI?
I use it every day.
Well, my entire team, we have a lot of people. A lot of them are in the audience right now. They've been working super hard all year long to bring it to the desktop with a new Lightning experience.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
So it's fast.
So you mean that same kind of incredible mobile, super interactive experience with Salesforce One, I can have that everywhere?
You can have it everywhere. And you can have it everywhere, but you can make it your own as fast as you want because it's a platform. But enough talking. Let's show it to everyone.
Oh, I'd love to see it.
Let's go. OK. This is the UI that you guys know and love. I'm very proud of it because for 16 years, you guys have been very, very successful.
I love this interface, Parker. Don't touch it.
It's amazing. 3.5 billion.
Great.
3.5 billion transactions a day on this.
That's remarkable.
But as you know, we get out there and we talk to all of you. And we ask you, what more can we do for you? How can we give you more customer success? Because we love our customers. And we did just that. Now, Marc, as you know, we're cloud, right? You don't have to install anything. You don't have to hire a bunch of consultants. Everything that you've done with Salesforce, we're going to bring forward. I didn't wear my Back to the Future costume, but that was kind of the idea, wasn't it? This menu right here, you see that switch to Lightning experience? I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to select that menu, and bam, now you have Lightning.
Wow.
There he is right there. Isn't it beautiful?
Wow, that was the fastest download of an operating system I've ever seen, Parker. How do you download an operating system that fast?
It's the cloud, Marc. There's no downloading. Come on.
No downloading?
No downloading.
This is not the next operating system upgrade?
No installation. It's the cloud.
No.
You select that menu. And that's fast, right?
Very
How fast was it to move to Lightning?
Fast.
Lightning fast.
Whoa.
OK. And you remember when you and I, thank you for inviting me to go visit Steve Jobs many years ago.
We miss him deeply.
We do miss him. And he said, Marc, he wasn't talking to me, Marc, go rebuild your experience, but rebuild it on the phone first. I think he meant the iPhone, so he didn't mean all phones.
That's true. That's true.
But
he did have a bias there, actually.
He did. So here, this looks familiar to many people because if you know Salesforce One and you love Salesforce One, we really learned from all of that. And all of your apps are right there in a very familiar left-hand application menu. We also talked to a lot of salespeople. Look at that. All of these charts in there to look at your quarterly performance and assistant. You can customize that with the platform. But even more, we have analytics. People love analytics. How many of you love analytics out there?
Oh, yeah, they love analytics.
All right. Take a look at this.
Except for the people in the very back row, we're not clapping on analytics.
Well.
Do you guys love analytics back there, too?
Marc, they're going to clap in just a second, because watch this. Okay. You guys wanted more columns in your dashboards. You wanted a beautiful new experience. Take a look at this. This is a UI platform for your analytics. Lightning is a platform for your analytics now. Look at that.
Wow, that is great.
You can build any beautiful dashboard you want.
You can have more than 2 columns.
More than 2 columns. You can modify it however you want. Pretty amazing, right?
Great.
Now, let's go look at a list view. You guys live and breathe in your lists all day long. That's where the really hard work happens, right? But you look at this list, how can I quickly see what's going on here? I'll tell you, Marc. Visualization and charting right there.
Right in the list?
Yeah, and I can change it. These are all components. That's a chart component.
Wow.
Because it's a platform, we decided to put a component of analytics right there in your list screen.
Really cool.
Yeah. But you know what else? We talked to a lot of salespeople. As I said, we were born with our salespeople, right? That was really our first cloud ever. And so we went back to the beginning and we said, what more do you want? And they said, we want to look at all of our deals in a different way. We think in terms of pipeline. So this is the new pipeline board.
Whoa, a new pipeline board?
A new pipeline board. That is a list view, but it's a visualization in a different way. All of your deals
I really
organized.
wish I could just drag and drop those things, especially when I see Keith blocked too far on the left. I need to move him to the right.
But imagine how fast you're going to manage your deals without leaving this screen. You can move the deals forward.
Oh, yeah, that's exactly what I need.
It's smart. It's telling you what's going on in each deal, right? Really smart.
Wow, that's awesome.
And it's fast.
Perfect.
OK, this is a deal. Now we've opened up an opportunity. Okay? But you might be a little lost. You might go, whoa.
Here's what I'm worried about. Here's what I'm worried about. This looks great.
I got it right.
But hold on.
I got it right.
But I got to tell you.
This is perfect.
But what if you didn't get it right? What if that's not the right UI? What if, maybe we didn't do all the market research. Maybe we didn't talk to the MVPs enough. Maybe it's not right. What should we be doing? What should we be doing?
Did we talk to your MVPs?
What if we made a mistake and these screens are not right?
Well, that's why we did not just put a new skin on Salesforce.
Oh.
We didn't just repaint it.
Oh, OK.
That's why it's been taking me a while. I have rebuilt it from the ground up as a platform. So you can take that opportunity screen, and you can crack it open. So there's that same opportunity screen, but now I'm modifying it with the Lightning Builder.
Well, that's the way to do it.
Yeah. OK. And it's also an ecosystem. I only have so many developers, Mark. I'd love more. Love you to give me more.
I'm doing everything I can for you.
But if you give me more developers, I can build more components. But you know what else? It's an ecosystem, so I don't actually have to build every single component. You can see components from our partners out there. Aptus, amazing partner of ours. DocuSign, another incredible partner.
So the ecosystem is showing up on the left, all the different components?
Right there.
And are those just separate apps I click there that I zip off to an app or something?
No. Those are components. Built with the Lightning platform. Plugged right into the builder right here. You don't have to leave the builder to go to that ecosystem. The ecosystem is part of it. And look at that. On the deal, on the opportunity, you want your salespeople to make more money for you? Tell them how much money they're going to make.
Really cool.
Yeah.
So all you did was drag and drop that in, and there it is.
I took a component from our partner exactly, and that tells me compensation for the rep. Put it right there in the screen.
You can change all these screens. And you make the UI exactly as you want it.
Yes.
You can add third-party capabilities, change the logic, change the workflow, make it exactly for you.
Yes.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
And did you see how fast that happened?
That was fast.
I didn't have to rebuild anything. I didn't have to write any code. Visually modified it.
Didn't have to download anything.
And you love Salesforce One.
I love it.
Same component running on your phone.
Whoa, you can run that app on a phone?
Of course.
Wow, how long did it take you to port that?
We just did it, just live right now. Same component running on your watch.
How'd you port it to the watch?
It just happens automatically. It's from the cloud.
It just happens automatically?
Magic. Fast. It's easy. It's a platform. Wow. It's incredible. But Mark, I don't think you quite get this.
No, I'm not completely getting this. I need some education.
I don't think you get this.
I mean, this is complicated.
I know. And so that's why we have this amazing new Trailhead.
Trailhead?
Have you heard of Trailhead? They like Trailhead.
They love it.
OK, if you go to Moscone West, and here's some people, and they're getting younger. Wow.
Oh, yeah, look at that. Whoa, that's great. We need the youth. We need the youth.
Yeah. OK. Trailhead is an online learning system.
OK, yeah.
It's free, and it'll teach you Lightning. It'll teach you everything about our platform. It'll teach you about our applications. There are badges that you can get. If you go and actually do some of those badges over there, you can even get yourself a little doll named Astro.
I love Astro.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah. I'm on my way over. Can I go right now?
I got a few more things to go through.
OK.
OK, so you know how we talked about...
That's incredible. I mean, that's amazing. Is that your big announcement?
Well, no, I got a couple more coming.
Really?
Yeah. I told you it was fast. Lightning's fast, right? I told you it's easy. I told you it's a platform.
Fast to build, easy.
And it's an ecosystem. Well, we talked a lot about industries last year.
Sure.
We talked about it this year. Moscone West, first floor, all about industries. Since last year, we have built not one app, but 2 new applications in our verticals group. Salesforce Financial Services Cloud And from that keynote you just did talking about health, we also have Salesforce Health Cloud.
Wow.
Very important.
Wow. So
Yeah.
these are 2 great apps you've built with Lightning.
Yeah, beautiful. They're built with the Lightning experience. They're customizable because of the Lightning platform. And you can also go to the ecosystem and grab components and add them to those
Parker,
apps.
this is amazing. So you've got Lightning, you've got these great new vertical apps. Thank you. Well, that's an amazing amount of innovation for Dreamforce. We just want to thank you so much for everything that you're doing.
Great.
That is just...
Could you hold that?
Oh, sure.
Please?
Yeah. Okay.
I've got something right over here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Great.
OK, so Marc, you keep the lightning bolt.
Wait, you've got a giant Q?
This is my IQ stick.
That's your IQ stick. All right.
Later, I'll give it to you, and it's going to make you more intelligent.
Oh, wow. I'm going to need it, Parker.
You are
because
definitely going to need it.
This is more than I can handle already.
So, Marc, CRM has to be a platform, right?
CRM has to be a platform.
CRM has to have an ecosystem.
It has to have an ecosystem.
CRM has to be easy.
It's got to be easy.
But it also has to be smart and intelligent.
It does have to be smart.
Everybody wants that. Sales reps of all people do not want to be, typing things in. They
hate typing things in.
It's not that they're lazy. They're relationship people. They want to go talk to someone instead of sitting at a
They're
computer.
schmoozers.
We'll do some of that tonight.
Okay.
Okay. So instead of logging information, what if the computer could automatically do that for you?
Wow.
Instead of having to remember to do something, what if the computer started using data science? We talked about data science earlier. To actually remind you to do things, to be proactive. What if you went from relationship management to relationship intelligence?
Wow. Well, that would be incredible.
Wouldn't that be awesome?
It could remind me of things.
It could remind you
Remind me of my mom's birthday is coming.
It could.
Remind me to close a deal.
It could. It could
remind
do all
me to
of that.
follow up.
It could do all of that. Now, if any one of you in the audience is with a small business, we really care about you guys too. You know that? And we have
we love small business.
We love small business.
Love them.
Of course. We have a whole section of Dreamforce dedicated to small business.
Awesome.
It's awesome.
Did you see George Zimmer's new startup? Amazing.
I did.
Yeah, it's awesome.
I'm going to see if he can manufacture these in mass so that we can all be wearing them next year.
You know about this incredible company, ClassPass? I mean, they're amazing small business.
I do. And actually, tomorrow, they're going to do a keynote.
They're going to do a whole keynote?
Yes, this is going to be amazing.
Oh, boy.
They're going to talk about this entire product. But we're launching SalesforceIQ for small business. It's easy, right? Small businesses don't have time, so it's super easy, right? It's automatic. Everything's happening. It's smart. It's incredible. And it's also proactive. But, this is a lot of talking. I want to show it to you, OK?
OK, great.
All right. So let's go in. So this is SalesforceIQ for small business, OK? Now, all I did to set this up, was I connected my CRM system.
You connected your CRM.
To my email.
You connected your CRM to your email?
Yes. And I connected my CRM to my calendar.
To your calendar?
2 amazing data sources. This is just 2 of many, but we're starting with these 2.
All right, I'm following you. So you've connected your CRM to your email and your calendar, OK.
Yes. And then we applied the intelligence to it. We stirred up all that data, and we looked at it, and we said, you know what? We can automatically tell you who your contacts are. We can automatically tell you what your deals are. We can automatically tell you, these are the deals you need to focus on.
That's cool.
Right?
That is cool.
Take a look at that. From the processing of the email, it's actually noticing that somebody actually wants to discuss a contract. I love it when people say to discuss a contract. That means I might be able to close a deal. Can't do it right now. Sorry, we're on stage, But if I click that button and create a task, it'll remind me later. Pretty cool.
How did it know that you have to respond to Gary at Hoff Optometry?
Because it's looked at the email and said, can we connect to discuss our contract?
Wow, that's
and it
amazing.
said, oh, can we discuss our contract?
That's so cool,
That must
Parker.
mean they want something from me.
That is really cool.
And so it's reminding me, OK?
OK.
All right. Now, let me show you something else. All this information was automatically created for me. I didn't have to log it. Automatically from all of my information, from my email, from my contacts, from my calendar. And when I go and look at one of these deals, I can see that there's a meeting coming up, OK? Now, if I want that meeting to be effective, I want to apply
You think it could be a meeting with Yoshiki? Because it looks like Yoshiki's here.
Yoshiki! OK, anyway.
Well, he's here.
Back to the show.
OK, right.
If I want to apply some relationship intelligence, I want to apply some data science to this, I can actually look at this contact who I'm meeting with, and I can take the intelligence of not just my email and my calendar, but everyone in my company, everyone in my small business, and the system's telling me, by understanding all of that, that there's someone else that should be in the meeting.
Wow.
Chris Peters actually has the closest connection.
So
actually knows this person.
It's kind of helping you along.
It's helping me sell. It's helping me do my job.
It's kind of like Lightning Man Jr., I guess, or something like that.
Yeah, yeah. I'll be Lightning Man Jr. next year, and you can be Big Lightning Man.
Okay, great.
Okay, now, Marc, you probably still use your email, right?
I love email.
Okay. Well, when you go to your email, does your CRM system come with you? Sometimes it doesn't, right?
Well, I mean, I use that Gmail, which is great, you know, and it's
Microsoft
very
Outlook's
easy.
also really good,
I use Microsoft
Love
Outlook
Microsoft.
sometimes, too, on my phone. I got Gmail on my computer.
But imagine that if you were in Gmail.
Yeah.
Let's go over to Gmail. And
Yeah,
imagine
that's what my screen looks like.
You have the Chrome plugin. So all that intelligence, all that proactivity, all of that really amazing capability.
Well, I don't have that thing on the right. I mean, that's not what my Chrome looks like.
That's the SalesforceIQ Chrome plugin.
Oh, wow.
You can actually use all of this intelligence, all of your CRM, right from within your email.
Oh, wow.
Pretty
that's
cool, right?
That is cool.
Now, those of you in the audience who are not from small businesses may be feeling a little left out.
Well, a lot of people here use Sales Cloud. Anybody here use Sales Cloud? Raise your right hand or left hand or a foot or anything. Yeah, there's a lot of Sales Cloud users here.
We use it.
Yeah, I love Sales Cloud.
Yeah. How many of you want all of that intelligence, all that proactivity with Sales Cloud? Wouldn't that be awesome?
I definitely want that.
Wouldn't that be awesome?
I want that. That's what I want with Sales Cloud.
That's what we're going to do. We have also SalesforceIQ for Sales Cloud.
SalesforceIQ for Sales Cloud?
Yes, connecting your Sales Cloud CRM information to your email, to your calendar, to give you that same intelligence, that same proactivity, that same data science.
Wow, so right on my iPhone or on my Android phone, I can have SalesforceIQ right there?
That's right.
Oh, that's
Let's
really
take a
cool.
look.
Great.
Let's take a look. Okay, how many of you are using the new Dreamforce app? You love that new app? Yeah. Rebuilt on our platform this year, brand new. We'll show you how it was built, amazing technology. We also have Salesforce One, amazing mobile application.
I love that. I use both of those.
Last year we launched Wave, another incredible.
I use that too.
Yeah, but now we have a new mobile application, Salesforce
A new mobile app also?
Yeah. Now, this app's interesting. It is an email app.
Wait a minute. Hold on. Hold on there, cowboy.
Do you need
Salesforce? Yeah. Salesforce is my inbox?
Salesforce is your inbox.
Salesforce is my inbox?
Yes.
That's Salesforce?
This is Salesforce. First and foremost, it's a killer email client because you need a killer email client with all the amazing features that you would expect in an email client, okay? But what's really amazing, as I said, is your CRM, your Sales Cloud, is connected to the email.
Wow.
Okay? So right there on this email, I can see in the top right there, that cloud is indicating to me that this email is connected to my CRM.
Wow.
I can look at that and I can see it's automatically, I didn't have to log this, it's automatically associated that email with 2 contacts in my CRM system.
How did it know that email was connected to my Salesforce contact?
Because your Sales Cloud is connected to your email and it's automatically making that association for you. Yeah.
That's cool.
And that email is actually someone who wants to buy something from you. They're kind of interested. They're just starting. You getting tired? I can hold that.
No, I got it.
Okay.
I might be doing reps in a few minutes, but we're good.
Yeah, I got something else for you in a second.
Okay.
So I can actually create an opportunity right from here. I don't have to leave. I don't have to go to my desktop, even though it's a beautiful place to go. That new Lightning experience, I don't have to go to Salesforce One. Right here, I can create the new opportunity. I can enter it for $10,000. It's $1 million deal.
It's $1 million deal. You put it in with $10,000?
Of course, because I'm a sales rep.
With Keith Block.
I'm a sales rep. That's what we do.
Oh, okay.
But then we close the deal, and you love that, right? That's why you love our sales reps, because we close deals. And why do we close deals? Because we use technology like this. So this is someone who's asking me about, hey, I'm just curious. I always send replies all day long. And so I actually have a macro built in here to automatically say, oh, yeah, I'd love to meet with you. It can automatically give me a list of places that we should meet, because I'm saying, hey, love to meet with you. Here's some suggestions based on where I am. And, OK, you have an assistant, right?
Of course.
Your assistant has an assistant.
Well, that's how it goes here at Salesforce.
Yes. Not everyone in this audience has an assistant.
They don't?
Imagine if Salesforce were your assistant.
Ooh.
Would that be cool?
That would be really cool.
Sales Cloud connected to your calendar. Imagine that if Sales Cloud, imagine if cloud computing could actually do your scheduling for you.
So you're my inbox, you're my calendar, you're my CRM, all on my phone?
And your assistant.
And you're my assistant?
Yeah. So, oh, it's already gone away. Well, anyway, that could schedule the email, schedule the meeting for you automatically. Wouldn't that be amazing?
That's really
automatically log to Salesforce. Don't have to leave.
You have been busy.
I've been really busy.
I'm going to put this as like a halo over your head.
Well,
because you've been busy.
Well,
I mean, you've got the Lightning platform. You've got the Lightning. Hold on. You've got the Lightning platform. You've got the Lightning. Let me just get this straight. You've got the Lightning platform.
Yes.
You've got the Lightning Exchange with all these components from all these third parties.
Yes.
The modularity and componentized architecture. You've got the Lightning experience, the whole new UI on Salesforce.
Awesome.
You have SalesforceIQ for small business.
Yes.
And you have SalesforceIQ for the Sales Cloud. This is the most innovation. Parker, thank you for everything that you've been doing. You must have had an incredible busy year.
I've been busy.
Really great.
I've been really busy.
Really awesome. Just thank you. I'll put that halo over your head.
I also have a hammer.
You have a hammer?
I got my hammer. Where's my hammer? Hammer over here.
You've got a hammer?
Yeah. How do you like my hammer?
Ooh.
That's pretty cool, right?
I think a Thor suit with a hammer would be cool.
Yeah.
The hammer with the NASCAR baby blue suit, I'm not so sure.
Well, we do things differently here at Salesforce.
All right.
All right. So earlier in the talk, you talked about the world of Internet of Things. You talked about
the Internet of Things.
90% of the world's data has been created in the last year.
It's all out there.
Everything is connected. Your phone. You've talked a lot about that Philips toothbrush. That's on
love that toothbrush.
Your car.
My car is connected.
BMW is connected. Your phone. Microsoft Outlook. Microsoft Office is connected.
Everything's connected.
Everything is connected. But behind all of those things, if you remember what you said,
is a
customer.
Oh, is a customer.
Is a customer. Right. Okay. That was a great vision. That was a really great vision.
That's a great vision.
Yeah.
But can you turn it into a reality?
I can, because I delivered.
With a hammer?
Check this out.
Whoa!
Okay. I don't need to have any lunch now. All right. So Marc, we're delivering the technology to connect the Internet of Things to the Internet of Customers. And it's called the IoT Cloud, or the Internet of Things Cloud, powered by the Thunder platform.
Wow.
Okay, let me explain what it is. First of all, everything. There's a lot of stuff out there, a lot of things. So first of all, we connect with everything.
Everything.
Everything. That's massive scale, right? That's a lot of technology, a lot of innovation just to deal with that scale, okay? And it's real time. It's not slow. It is right at the moment. It's handling things in real time.
In the moment.
Yeah. So let me explain exactly how it works, okay, step by step. Number one, you have to capture those events. You have to have something that's capturing those billions of events that are happening all the time. And it keeps increasing. And then you have to take those events, and you're going to understand your customers better, because behind those events are customers. So you're updating these profiles to understand those customers.
Makes total sense. You got to connect.
You got to connect.
Then you have to act.
And you have to act. And how are you going to act? Every company is different. So this is also a platform. And so it has an intelligent rules engine to take those events and understand what to do with them, and then connect them back to all kinds of things,
so
and especially
you can take these real-time rules, and then you apply them to the events as they're happening?
Exactly.
Oh, man, that's
exactly.
Cool.
And take a look at this. Our launch partner for this technology is none other than Microsoft Corporation.
Who?
Microsoft.
Microsoft?
Microsoft. Pretty cool, right?
They're our customer?
Yeah. And Microsoft is moving people to the cloud. They're moving people to Office 365.
I love that. I use Office 365.
That's great. Right. And all of the events, there's billions of events happening right there.
There must be.
Yeah. And they're using Microsoft Azure, the Azure Event Hub, to catch all of those.
Wow.
And then Azure Event Hub is sending those to the Internet of Things Cloud.
They're sending them to us?
Yes. And they're sending them to us, and we're applying that intelligent rules engine to actually do some interesting things and connect it to our marketing cloud. I want to show you how that works.
Really cool. That is really cool.
Let me show you how that works. How about a demo?
I would love to have a demo of this.
Okay. Here's a sign-up screen for Office 365. It's on the web.
I've used it. It's great.
You can also sign up from a phone, because Microsoft is very mobile first now. Those are all giving events. When I go to the website, that's an event. When I sign up, that's an event. When I download one of their apps, that's an event. When I receive an email from Microsoft, that's an event. And imagine with all their customers.
That's a lot of events.
That's a lot of events. So let's take a look at how those events are coming in to the IoT Cloud. So here's the IoT Cloud. Pretty cool. And here's all of these events. The source is Microsoft
Like
Azure.
sign-ups and contacts and cancellations and
exactly.
all the
They're
like,
tracking
usage
everything.
And, oh, wow.
All of that is data, because if you capture that data, you can apply data science to it to do really cool things. So look at this. Billions of usage events are happening in Office 365 every day. Billions. People are updating their profiles every day, okay?
Really great.
So that's cool. That's scale. That's massive. But what's interesting is inside here are people. Each of those dots are people.
Wow.
You're in there. I'm in there.
Well, I'm their customer. I can understand.
Exactly. And so what they can do is they can take those events, and for each specific customer, they can do something different.
So if I get an email from them, or they advise me maybe to try out a new product,
That's right.
or use a feature differently,
That's right.
that's really cool.
So here's our rules engine, okay? The intelligent rules engine. And here's an example where the user has signed up for Office 365, but you know what they didn't do?
What did they not do?
They didn't install those killer mobile applications.
Oh, those are great. I use those.
They're amazing. They really are amazing. And so this is a rule that says if you signed up and you haven't downloaded those applications, we want to tell you how great they are. And so we're going to connect to our Marketing Cloud. We're going to actually use that rule to connect to our Marketing Cloud to send a one-to-one email based upon exactly who that person is, based upon their profile, to say, hey, we love you, and we want you to download our killer applications because you're going to be so much more successful with Office 365. And Microsoft will make that customer far more successful, far more happy. They want customer success just like we do. Pretty amazing.
That's really connecting with your customer in a whole new way.
It is, and we're doing it together with Microsoft.
Well, it's really exciting to have Microsoft as our launch customer of the IoT Cloud and Thunder. Parker, this is amazing.
Thank you.
I mean,
I have been busy.
you have been busy.
Yes.
Lightning platform, the Lightning Exchange, the Lightning Experience, the Salesforce IQ for small business, Salesforce IQ for the Sales Cloud, and the IoT Cloud for Thunder. Parker,
Yes.
thank you on behalf of all of our customers
Thank
for all
you,
your
Marc.
hard work. We are very grateful. Thank you, Parker.
See you.
Please thank Parker Harris.